Well, summer is in full swing. In the last couple of years, I've been doing some shorter form content during the middle of summer. I know everyone gets busy. Sometimes it's harder to watch some of the longer videos that have a lot of different info in there. So today I thought I'd do another quick tip video. So this really goes for any time of year, but specifically during the heat of the summer when things get pretty stressed anyway for our cool season zone here. This is a time when you want to be mowing appropriately. You don't want to let it get too tall and then mow it too low, because what happens then is the turf starts to thin, it stresses out a lot, and actually more weeds just come in. Believe it or not, weeds are going to grow a lot faster than most grass does, and then you have a yard that you need to mow more often anyway just to keep up with all those weeds. So proper mowing is one of the absolute most important things that you can do for your lawn. By figuring out how often you're able to mow and then appropriately setting the height on your mower so that you're just removing a little bit of grass every time that you do mow, this is going to create the healthiest turf possible. Now during the heat of the summer, one of the worst things that you can do, and something that I still see people consistently do tons of times, is letting their yard get too tall because they don't want to go out in the heat and the humidity. They don't want to mow. So they let it get too tall and then they think, I don't want to do this again. So I'm going to set my mower almost as low as it can possibly go. Then I'm going to buzz off all that grass and I won't have to mow again for a couple weeks. But if they could simply just raise that mowing height up so that they weren't removing so much of the turf, things would stay a lot healthier. It wouldn't go brown as fast. And it's just going to be so much better for the turf overall. So if you're one of those people, simply raise up your mowing height can help a lot if you're one of those that wants to go out and not mow very often. So if you want to be able to mow it tighter and shorter to the ground, then you have to be out there more frequently. Same rule applies. You want to be taking off just a little bit of a grass at a time, which means you have to be out there more frequently to make that happen. Proper mowing is an extremely important tool in keeping a healthy yard. By simply doing this, you can have a lot more success. So I hope that tip helped you today. Check out another video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.